received my high chair for the kitchen lounge area. So I'm sitting on one of them now. So I got those super nice and comfortable chairs from Wayfair. That's not sponsored or anything, I purchased them. And I have to say, sometimes I feel it's a little bit hard to shop online, especially when it comes down to like Wayfair or Amazon, because there's just so many products to choose from. And like you can't really touch the material, but I'm really happy with these chairs. They are comfortable, they are soft, legs are in wood, they look actually quite nice. They're like that neutral, luxury, neutral type of look, which I'm going throughout the house with a few accents of black here and there. And I just think they are a perfect fit. I'm so happy. Obviously, the link will be down below if you guys are looking for chairs. And they are, you know, they have that swivel function. So I'm cooking dinner now. Willow is going to eat some rice with veggies. And I think I might actually add a little bit of tofu. And I'm going to have something very similar, kind of quinoa salad with, yeah, bébé, yeah, the bébé riz. I really like those little pouch of rice for kids. It's a little bit more soft and it's got veggies into it already. So these are a big hit in bébé riz in our house. And then I think we're gonna go for a walk. Today has been a very productive day. I actually feel like bébé riz, yeah, I feel like I'm settling a little bit better in the house. The dressing room is kind of being put away, even though the doors are still not on the IKEA packs for the wardrobe. But oh, I got the delivery from Selfridges today for the Marc Jacob collection. You have to like Marc Jacob beauty. This is what I'm wearing today, and I have to say, I'm happily surprised. I knew I was gonna like it. I think it's a bit edgy. It's, you know, it is Marc Jacob after all. But I'm quite pleased with how it looks and delivers and stays onto the skin, other than the lipstick that is not really long lasting. So we're doing a quick tidy up, huh, baby girl? Yeah, quick tidy up of the house in the kitchen. So we are out for a walk. It is so windy. So our house is literally just a few houses down there. So that's the path to our house. We're really lucky to have this beautiful area just next to us. I'll show you in a moment. It's a lot of paths just around the house for going for walks. And I think they've done some nature regeneration. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's sunny. Baby girl is really happy with your Gina. So this is how it looks like. It's plenty of paths in the field, I guess, and it's full of flowers, it's full of birds, it's full of life, and we live somewhat just near down there. So today's one of the days where, you know, you just gotta ignore the mess, the laundry pile, the fact that I'm supposed to be working, and we are going shopping. Yeah, just putting lipstick. This is the Chanel in shade Venice. I'm back home now from the shopping spree of this morning. I didn't actually buy, well, anything for myself. We went to Fenwick. I know some of you were asking, we used to live in Ascot and we now moved to Finchampstead, that is in Wokingham Borough. And I still really like to go in in Bracknell. There is a new town centre. It's not that new, but it's new to me because I've been in the UK for not even 3 years yet. Yeah, 3 years? Oh my God, it's been 3 years, guys. And they have a massive Fenwick and it's all pedestrian. They have a bunch of stores. There's Mango, there is Fenwick, there is Levi's, there's Marks and Spencer's. There's a lot of shops. So I usually tend to go there and do, you know, kind of have a mosey around and pick up anything for myself. We went to Fenwick. I saw a few nice pieces of clothing. I think I found a pair of jeans at Page, but it's just so hard to try on clothes with the child who doesn't want to sit still for 2 seconds. And I went to Chanel. They didn't have anything of the new collection yet. But I went to my old house and the neighbors had a package for me. And I received a little PR from Prada. I don't know what it is. I literally just opened the box and saw the bag. So I'm quite excited about what they've sent. So, no, I don't really get much PR. So whenever I get something, I'm always very grateful. Oh, they've sent 3 products. Prada Balm, the Prada Scope Mascara, which initially I was really not a fan and it actually grew on me. And an eye pencil in the shade black. I like that. You know, it's always a safe bet. You know what? Baby girl just ate one, so I now have the refill. This is amazing and perfect. I am so happy. So happy days, Prada. I will be, you know, playing with them. You guys will see. Yeah, so now we're gonna have pizza. I need to clean up the house. Actually, we're Friday, so I am working, despite, you know, me not looking like I am working. I just didn't have any calls today, so I've been checking my emails. It's very quiet. I usually don't do any meetings on Fridays. It's just, I do some readings, I do my admin, or I just kind of take calls on the go because I do stuff with baby girl. And I'm very grateful I have the flexibility of managing a little bit more my schedule whereas before I was really just tied up to the CEO, but now I just have that flexibility and I am so happy and grateful for it. I went to 2 stores with home furniture decorations. I didn't buy anything and it was really hard. I think old me would have bought stuff. Like, we need to finish building furniture, we need to paint the house, I need to finish the curtains before I buy decoration and fillers. And so at Marks and Spencer, at M&S Home, they have such beautiful items and collections. But I was really pleased. They have some beautiful vase. Vase are a little bit tricky at the moment with baby girl. She's broken so many, and it's not because she wants to break them. She just wants to look at them, and she's got clumsy hands, and you know. Gonna hold off on to the vase for now, but I've seen some like giant pots, like ceramic pots, because I want to get a fake olive tree for the living room because we do have a bigger open space. And yeah, just nice cushion throws and a bunch of things. And then I went to the Range. If you're in the UK, you'll know the store, the Range. It's pretty good. It's very cheap, but you have so many pieces for decoration, for home decor, that's where I get all of my Christmas decorations. And they have those giant mirrors. So I'm gonna go back. I think I went onto like a recon and it was really good. So I think I'm actually quite happy with today. It's close to 3 p.m. I'm gonna have some pizza now and